In COVID-19 news, Oregon is inching closer to a full economic reopening. The state health authority says a little more than 106,000 people have to get at least one shot for the state to reach a 70% vaccination threshold. 66.8% of adults 18 and older in the state have been at least partially vaccinated. Oregon's latest case report shows just 125 new confirmed cases of COVID-19. This morning, Oregon Governor Kate Brown released updated county risk levels. 21 counties are now in the lower risk category. Clackamas County continues to remain in high risk despite sending out a vaccine equity plan to the state. 63% of people 16 and up are vaccinated there. 65% is needed to move the county to lower risk.